Right, my memo Bamra Ghana News Alert TV. So, and then the first time I'll join me and I'm a person who subscribe to the channel, like a story, and share for a to comment section. I'm making kind and from Samsung and Mr. We are me a bell icon for more updates. Goldbad wants and say, my baby, any Nino. Yet to Nesrenia Basana NDC for a patch say Ubi or party nimna ya appointing as a minister and as a CEO bia. Not we mistake Ghanaians, we can talk about it. Yinti min kan wasem na na jantoa IRDB like ahujiri. Ni nyina ne saying ensema ba Goldbad ensema ba etutu ne sere ne basa. All that Ghanaians are asking for is that yembra ne mumbe render account mumbe account to us. Mumbe render accountability to Ghanaians for their nintia losses near by the $1.7 billion no. Na eno na kwam kan say na Jan 12 ahimfie FM edi ababa ya betina screen so ama ene no wedidi NPP for atempa especially afenyo markets from say friend mama Dufie wedidi afenyo markets atiteme dibidi NPP fu nyina atem ni nyina ne se adenti na ese de sa ade wi politics na sebi enye Goldbad. Still NDC4 doesn't want to take responsibility. And I say, Sami Jevi doesn't want to take responsibility for the losses are aba. Say Enino Waboka and Uyegu a Bank of Ghana. So now my men say my wakana. In fact, if saying to me if I win your politics then I didn't na Sami Jevi to me bijina simpi so ka say nanado ba umiamo afenyo markings mo ajije a bribe. Brana eye nanado any baumia eye president any vice ewo maimha so majije 40,000 alleged a bribe be then Sami Jevi had a lot of a press conference ewo kruma eneno obi can be afa ho dia all begin aka chances and if say enye no cry I don't think senka afenyo markings ABC Sami Jevi and that guy say a JS one for the extortion comments no make no. Now NDC want to tell Ghanaians say no papa mu boni mu ye monji omoso omaya ade asemo mpeso mo ka kire ya no nso yentina ho mamu ntum futuru mu yeni. You see that Kevin Taylor started this new era of that old thing now no ye na and we akudi we yire and we akuye we sebi Ghanaian youth no for attention money bim because mo si nyansa nim Jimmy nko a ne podcast ana say the editorial be obe bia no sebi nyansa nim. And you see a woman like this we ewa bem ashe we ga betina screen so edidi amanfo atem we ebusuya yentie nsem na odi atudwane bimra eba yedidi akanyina ebeto aso edi amama meka osa ha Ghana News Alert Mr. subscribe to the channel, like a story and share for adventure as a comment section and kinkan nyina emfa mama sanso na Mr. Uria me a bell icon for more updates. Follow me on TikTok and KM Live Studios sanso na Facebook and na kwa me channel affiliate channels YouTube Akroma TV GH and KM Live ebusuya inkuti asoma semra isi eba ebeto aso edi amamo
dear politics ade we nya de o say politics it is NPP anya careful forever they will remain in opposition because a new member nyina chese omuka se Ghana fo nim nyansa bi ma na and omuka se Ghana mabunu no omumpa bra bi abo because etimemu na abibia no mababonte sadie we nya de o say dear politics ade we nya de o say politicizing in any way yentina se na yankase yenyusu ya adwene ne yehunu say baabia ne o mai koide Ghana ye moka biem nana some years ago na ye to akukọ box no to ye de enim say de si to no but for a very long time nana da so gina hwa enko baabia even utumi kokra se bia uto dodo a upe ababa 7-8 kwa utumi sromo no ma se ate so de ama but gone are the days na sa ne omani nyina nana obetumi abobo ma me de ne bo ayede ukoto ne na de ncho nkone atum it is anyoma we na NPP amanyoko ne se omunti ase ana and is it because some of them have the money am betumi atode omo penti ye Ghanaian na ye tetete from no Yenya de ne omo ma ye kwan say yenya eba fom eye na ayemefo na omo ka no say unsem say ye kosan check ni bi anase ye kwakọ sire sika ye kwakọ ye lala sulala na ye tue sika na the current rate of the dollar no ene etua ene na eso ba fom na adenti na Ghana mpanyimfo NPP fo de nya mpanyimfo mpo NPP fo ni bi abro wo mutirim sa eto da so omo kasa say de omo nim nyansa bi say are we still children
nyansa de omo nim
nyansa MPP mpanyimfo bebre na nim nyansa because omo nim nyansa nana nkama makotu mu PhD and obi kan ya say the only open one so the PhD na ye adwuma radio so okan ya nam so obi betena ase asere ba mokuta certificate akakra parliament honum agro nko na na omo didi omo nim say at every point in time betumi abegina na oma tumfutu di Ghana for ani etam na omo ma ye jimi no etwemo da bia na ye yanko ni asore agila asafu me yanko samra na etwemo ti say yetena na say ye the sant enchichemu we e de aba say oyenka no krenche Ghana for e car say ye Bank of Ghana the boy say Goldbad the boy at the end of the day no Ghana ya benefiting eti dia no mo ka chen afanyo market onye concert na ote ono mo ye no onye concert na ote parliament wo ye na omo nyina so and minority leader grow brother me hu bi da wo pia ba bon no why say no omo nyina di nachi no akotena fam no so ye concert a grow.
You see, ye kasa sisiao, you know, people like these will come and then be on the screens and act like victims. In tinkeme fanye politics and can't fanye ding. See, muna mo si dollar no stabilize it. Inti dollar na mo se mo befa ba 4 cedis. Ne da so jina 10 cedis o. Ekọ na ba. You say pound asing. E maye mfanye politics inti nipa na Ghana ka no nke nkata so ni mu so e maye nkasa. I am so much disappointed in Nana Jantua. Me so disappointed in him. And then this thing sitting on the screen, we sebi we enti na de bi e ka se book mu nyansa na ofie nyansa. This woman you could see se ni mienu nyana abono na obi utimi ka se obi ye concert sebi ni obi ye parliament nyansa nim na ne awoti wo kan one that catch or say ne awokan nyansa. And I feel within me say as that this time and Nana Jantua one he's feeling so disappointed say o de mami we better na the radio so. And I hear FM, this is a disgrace to you. This is a disgrace because honestly, like I na me tenasi din na me dwene ho I na me say ade inti say NDC for patch say ne omo be bia yenji ntum saa na you yentoa so mra isia
when ni so Ghana for ye nyini ya tra sa de no onsu nyansa no munya de omo ye no na ye na so nya nkola biem e de asem no it is NPP anya careful forever they will remain in opposition because a new member nyina chese omo ka se Ghana for nim nyansa biem ana and omo ka se Ghana mabunu no omo mpebra bi abo because yetimai mu na abribia no mababonte sa de we nya de wo se de politics ade we nya de wo se politicizing in any way yentra se na nkase yenyusu ya adwene ne yehunu say baabia ne o mai koide Ghana ye moka biem nana some years ago na ye to akukọ boss no to ye de enim say de si to no but for a very long time nana da so gina ho a enko baabia even utumi kokra se bia uto dodo a upe about 7-8 kra utumi sra mo no ma se ate so de ama but gone are the days na sa ne mani nyina nana obetumi abobo ma me de ne bo ayede ukoto ne na de ncho nkone atum eti sa ne we na NPP amanyoko ne se omo ntiase ana and is it because some of them have the money am de betumi atode omo penti yen Ghanaian na ye tete from no yen de ne omo ma ye kwan se yen eba from eye na ayemefo na omo ka no se unsem se ye kosan check ni bi anase ye kwakọ sire sika ye kwakọ ye lala sulala na ye tue sika na the current rate of the dollar no ene etua and then na eso ba from na adenti na Ghana mpanyimfo NPP fo de nya mpanyimfo mpo NPP fo ni bi abro wo mutirim sa eto da so omo kasa se de omo nim nyansa bi say are we still children
nyansa de omo nim